How to find the model number on the Apple Watch 9. First, I'm going to go back to the watch face by pressing on the crown button. From the watch face, press on the crown button to go into the app screen. In here, you want to tap on the settings icon right here. Next, in the settings screen, go down and tap on General. Next, tap on About. Then we go down, and in here you will find the model number of your Apple Watch. With the model number, you can determine which version of the Apple Watch that you have, if it's Apple Watch 7, 8 or 9. And that's it. After that, you can press on the crown button to return back to the watch face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.